SPGC stock, is this the right time to buy? Let's see where is Saks Parente Golf stock going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. First thing that I want to mention with SPGC is that we are 7% down. I mean, to be very frank, this looks quite juicy. This is how my chart looks like. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, called out thousands of correct predictions on my YouTube channel for free. I'm talking 10, 20, 5x moves on my YouTube channel. All of it has been documented. But specifically looking at SPGC, I mean, I get the price that it's, it's starting to pick up in this bullish trend itself, but I said I'm only really going to be bullish the moment I start seeing the price breaking above 173, and I'm honestly still sticking by it, but I'm not gonna begin being bearish unless we start breaking beneath 57. And because we're so far away from it, like, there's nothing else wrong with potentially buying here. I mean, I know I talked about like a double break before, but there's no reason why I would not long if the price doesn't, it doesn't have, like, obviously it must have all the rules met, right? Like, the timing should be correct, risk to reward should be, Gucci and all and whatnot. But other than that, I'm going to continue to keep you updated. If the rules are not met, then guess what? I'm just not going to buy. So it ultimately comes down to this. I will continue to keep you updated, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.